This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick stir fry for Chinese vegetables. We have the Bok Choy. So when you go shopping in Asian markets, you see all these Chinese vegetables. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick recipe so you can enjoy every day. First, we're going to cut up some bok choy. So this is the baby bok choy. So there's some that are larger, but this is the smaller one. And so what you do is just cut off the end there like that. And then when you unfold it, just make sure cut it right down the middle here like this. So you can keep it at this size. So we're going to clean the vegetables. So we have the bok choy to put it into the strainer here. And just give it a quick rinse. So a lot of times they pick the bok choy out of the field. There's still a lot of dirt in it. So just a quick rinse like that. So sometimes people are more picky, they do it individually. But I just give it a quick rinse like that and we're ready for cooking.
So the first step is cut your bok choy into more or less the same size pieces. Second step is to clean the bok choy. And then you can put the bok choy in the fridge just to dry it up if you like. You're ready to cook. Preheat your wok or pan at medium to medium-high heat. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use peanut oil. And then you add the aromatics. Put a teaspoon of chopped ginger, a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Give that a quick stir fry. Turn the heat setting to high if you want a little bit of carbon sear flavor, which is known as wok A. So give the veggies a quick sear. I like my veggies fairly raw, so I don't overcook the veggies. Add a touch of salt to lock in the flavor. I put 2 or 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce just around the edges. Sear the soy sauce with the wok or the pan. If you have it, add a tablespoon of Chinese oyster sauce to bring out some bold flavor. To round out the taste, sometimes I add a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning, such as this one. Just before serving, a lot of Chinese restaurants like to shine up their veggies. So you can add a teaspoon of peanut oil or other cooking oil. If you're serving the bok choy with meat or seafood, just grill the meat or seafood first, take it off, and then do a quick stir fry with veggies and add back the meat or seafood just before serving. So there you have it, a quick stir fry for Chinese veggies such as bok choy.
It's a great complement to all your other dishes. Or you can just have this on its own. Crispy veggies with lots of flavor. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.